Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to solve a new format, I think, which has been proposed during the Global Excel Summit 2024, which is called Excel Ninja. It basically provides you with this grid of, I don't know, 1000 rows probably, and I think will be 100 columns. Gives you I'm assuming 20-ish questions to be answered, one at a time. I think of increasing difficulty, and that's it, I think, because there are no other specific directions or rules for this case. Let's see in the introduction. Being inspired by TV shows that feature athletes going through a sequence of obstacles. In our competition, the intellectual athletes, Texas sportsmen and sportswomen, we need to pass a sequence of obstacles in the least possible time. Okay, each cell in the grid contains one letter A to Z or one number 0 to 9. Your goal is to answer the total 21 questions to reach the finish line. Within 10 minutes. So I'm assuming this will be easy questions, probably except the last ones. You will see one question at a time. You can skip. Okay, if you get stuck, that's it, I guess. Okay, sequence question 19, question 21. A sequence consists of consecutive numbers not separated by letters. For example, 17215 in cells P35 T35. Okay, P to T, so this 17215. Okay, not separated by letters or consecutive letters not separated by numbers. Okay, a sequence continues from the last cell of a row to the first cell of the next row. Okay, so you basically go in the next row. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's try. The 10 minutes threshold actually is giving me some pressure, but let's see how it goes. So for the sake of simulating, let's say that the time starts here, so I will pull out a timer here and let's go. Which symbol is located in the very first cell? So C35 is an indirect of this. Okay. Okay, how many cells are there in the grid? Count A. Okay. Which symbol is located in the very middle of the grid? Find the address of the central cell yourself. So if it is 100 columns, I think 101. So I need, yes, so 50 will be AZ plus 1, which is BA, and 1001, so AZ. Okay, I cannot write anything. It will be an indirect of AZ, and 1000 divided by 2 plus plus 35 plus 1. No. 1001. Well, it would be 500 What if I just say 500 plus 35? I said BA, not AZ. Come on. Okay. What is the sum of the numbers in the very first row of the grid? If I reduce 0, the array will give this, and let's say lambda AV if not is error number value V, then A plus V, otherwise it's A. Okay. What is the sum of all the numbers in the grid? I will give it the same. Okay. This is the average value of the numbers in the very first row of the grid. Hint, it is an integer. Okay. No, I need to keep track of the average filter of this. What? Of this, where not is error number value of the same thing. I don't know if this is going to work, honestly. Yes. How many letters F are in the grid? Well, count ifs of the whole grid. Would probably be, let's call this grid count ifs grid this, and I'm going to sum it. Oof. But that's correct, actually, because it's green. This is not fair, honestly. I will point them manually. We have 6 minutes. Oh, come on. Why? Honestly, I don't understand. Grid is not good. Okay, I cannot name the range. Fuck, I've lost a lot of time. This has cost me 1 minute. I would like to claim my minutes back, honestly. Look for the last letter A in column K, which symbol is located 2 cells to the right of it in column M. For the last letter A in column K, which symbol is located 2 cells to the right of it in column M. If I do an offset of column K, will be this one. X match A. Match mode X set match last to first. And then I need to go to the right of it too. Okay, this is the count of the letters in the very first row of the grid. I will leverage the previous one, so a reduce of the first one, AB, if is error number value this thing, A plus 1, there was A, okay. What is the sum of all the numbers in a 10 per 10 square that has its top left corner located in cell BY794? Offset indirect. This 0 0 10 10. Okay, this is some of the numbers in the 100 100. Okay, which row has the largest sum of the numbers it contains? Which row has the largest sum of the numbers it contains? I don't understand the question. Okay, I think I understood. I cannot use okay, I'm out of time. 10 minutes to be fair, but I've lost 1 minute, so we'll claim my minute back. So the max. Oh, come on. So 309 plus 20 plus 35. 309 plus 35. It's not good. Okay, I will stop because I'm in 11 minutes, but I will continue the solve to see where I get. So which row has the largest sum of the numbers it contains? Help. 309. That will be this. Which row? 344. 343. Okay, it was a -1 problem. Which column contains the largest number of letters? Same approach. the first column. Max of this, match this here 0, 11, so 772, it's M. How many letters does the column with the largest number of letters contain? 772. Which symbol is used most frequently across the grid? Okay. So it will be a sequence of the 6 code of A, and then the charter. And the sequence of 9. Start from 0. No. 0 to 9, so 10 numbers. Oh, I'm so slow. Countifs, the grid with this, max of this 2950. Okay, the symbol, obviously. 9. How many times does the most frequently used symbol 2950? How many letters are there in the longest sequence of the grid? Okay. Sequence consists of consecutive numbers not separated by letters. I don't like the fact that I cannot add my helper worksheet. The longest sequence of the grid. Well, but I can just do a 2-call, honestly. Letters. So letters was this. So 2-call of this. Where do I store my maximum? Because with this I can what if I do like a scan? Maybe otherwise 0. Okay, and then I do the max of this. No. Many letters are there in the longest sequence of the grid? Sequence in consecutive numbers. Well, but in theory it should be right. If that's a letter, I will increase, otherwise I will set to 0. Yeah, of course I need the whole grid. I need the whole grid. Okay, that was interesting. What is the largest sum of numbers that are contained in any given sequence of the grid? Well, if I do not is there a number value this a plus b. Okay, consider letters AF to be numbers in hexadecimal format. Oh, this is the largest sum of numbers that are contained in any given sequence of the grid. So basically I will need to check if I do x to this of f gives me a number, of z gives me an error. Okay. Ifs not is there. Wait, x to this direct. Oh. Yes. that was great. Okay, a fun one, honestly. Plenty of easy questions, but also some tricky ones. I'm probably not good enough with the reduce and scan logic, but it proved very useful in this kind of format. So I'm assuming some other top competitors who are much more familiar with this kind of functions will have performed significantly better. But yeah, it was a fun one. And a nice way to train also these uncommon patterns and usage of nasty formulas. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.